When we come out to do service calls, and service and repairs are one of the biggest parts of our business, the customer will call and say their air is out, or it's not cooling, or it's making a noise, or it's barely keeping up. And the first thing that I will always do, and we'll try to do, if we can help a customer fix it over the telephone to save them time, money, and hassles, we will walk them through numerous processes to what to look for, what to try, as long as the customer is willing and not taking a danger. We'll walk them through. When we go to a job, on most of today's systems that are with so much electronics that are involved in them, the biggest thing that we're finding is safety switches on drains or shut them down, between electronic circuit boards on the motors that are bad, to thermostats that aren't communicating correctly. And we do find occasional motors that go bad, compressors that are shorted from lightning or power surges or whatever it may be, bad installations. One big one in the industry is leaks in the evaporator, in the coils, inside, outside coils. So these are the big things that we go to, and we try to fix it for customers, because I'm not an advocate of just replacing. A lot of people say replace, 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 but I'm not. I like a person to understand if they need to replace, they can. If they want to repair, repair. It depends on your pocketbook and how much you want to spend. I always tell my guys, if you can't afford to spend a large amounts of money to repair your air conditioner or replace it, then do it to the customer. Say, I can fix it if you want, but here's the reasons, and let it be done, and let the customer choose the dollar that they want to spend in the best avenue so they don't have problems.
Munson AC.